In today's video, I would like to introduce a very nice problem. Here is the following differentiable function from R to R. We have this following setup. We have f of x square minus 2021 equals this right hand side of this equation, which is integral is set as from 0 to x of f of t square plus f of prime t square dt. Okay, our goal, we are going to find the closed form for f of x. Okay, now let's get started with this one to see what's given us. So first idea that I'm going to extract from this problem, so if I'm going to derivate both sides of this equation, is going to give us, I will have the following expression. So for the left hand side of this equation, I get 2 times f prime of x is multiplied by f of x by applying the chain rule here. Okay, so this one will be 0. Right hand side becomes, since we have an integral here, so I'm going to get rid of integral. I will be replace t with x here, so I get f of x square plus f prime of x square. Okay, now I get rid of the integral and find this simple expression. Okay, now let's take everything to the right side. I get f of x square, I get minus 2 times f prime of x is multiplied by f of x plus the last term, which is f prime of x square. Okay, everything equals 0. Now this one is clearly is a form quadratic binomial here, so this one is giving us f of x minus f prime of x all is raised to the number 2 as a power, which equals 0. Okay, so this one simply is going to give us f of x equals f prime of x. Okay, it's very nice here. Now let's transfer this one into integral. This one is giving us df over dx. Okay, df over f, the integral of df over f equals dx. Okay, I'm implying the integral on both sides. So this one is giving us natural log of absolute value of f, which equals x plus the constant. Okay, I'm going to put this one on the form of the exponential. So I get here f, I get absolute value of f of e to the c is multiplied by e to the x, e to the x. So here is a plus or minus like this. Let's say replace plus or minus e to the c with another constant, less k is multiplied by e to the x. Okay, so this function is going to be written on this form. So now let's check the initial condition in order to find this constant k. Okay, as a real number. So if I'm going to plug 0 here into x, I get f of 0, which equals k is multiplied by e to the 0, which is equals k. Okay, so by replacing x with 0 into the original equation, I get here f of 0 square. The whole thing equals 0. The right hand side of this equation equals 0 because you're replacing x with 0 here. So the integral from 0 to 0, which is 0. Okay, so get f of 0 square, which equals 2001. Okay, so in the other word, I get f of 0 equals plus or minus 2021, like this. Okay, we get k equals f of 0, which equals plus or minus 2021. So I'm going to break this one into 2 cases. I get f of x equals 2021 is multiplied by e to the x, and f of x equals minus 2021 is multiplied by e to the x. Okay, for all x as a real number. So this is the general expression for this function. We get f of x equals plus or minus 2021 e to the x for all x as a real number. Okay, so I have ended this video. By the way, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and support the channel, and thank you for watching. I will see you next video. Bye.